So, this is the teaser where we can officially see the OnePlus device. Before we start the video, make sure you have hit the subscribe button. So as for the leaks, the device comes with 6.4 inch of display with refresh rate of 90 Hz. It is 409 ppi AMOLED display. It provides triple camera setup with 50 megapixel primary. The selfie or front camera is 32 megapixels. Device comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 with octa-core processor. It will start with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. The device has an excellent screen, brilliant camera and an improved battery of 4500 mAh. With all the features and the tag of flagship killer, it should be priced in the range of 30,000 to 32,000 rupees. We would be reviewing the phone as soon as it comes out. Kindly subscribe us if you liked our content.